Welcome to Pasta Fazool. Summer pizza again. We're gonna make today a quick clam sauce. Clam sauce here in the summer pizzerias, it's usually a little different from when we make it for the house. It's sort of quicker because customers don't really like to wait that long. So first of all we do is put some olive oil and we get some fresh garlic. Two fresh garlic would be enough. I like to cut them really thin when I'm making a clam sauce. See how thin they are? I like to put a whole bunch of garlic in there. Okay. As soon as that cooks up right away, we'll throw in some tomatoes. Now, I don't have cherry tomatoes over here, but you can use any tomatoes as long as they're nice and ripe. Just to give it a little bit of texture to the sauce. I usually put cherry tomatoes at the house. My regular Pasta Fazool series. So as soon as you see the I really didn't want to do that, okay? I'm being fancy over here, I like to burn my eyebrows. But anyway, as soon as you see the garlic getting a little brown like that, we'll throw in the clams. The clams over here, little baby clams. A little bit of vegetable stock on it. A little bit of vegetable stock. Some parsley. We let it cook for about, I'd say about 5 minutes. Wait on that. Give it 5 minutes. Meantime, we're going to get some pasta over here. Pastas, remember, in the pizzeria, we don't cook the pastas as they come in. I could have a choice. I have fettuccine, I got linguini, lasagna, spaghetti, penne. I usually go for the clam sauce. Man wanted linguini, so you get them frozen, freeze them in the morning, put them in the hot water. 8-ounce spaghetti, by the way. They defrost right away. By the time that's done, the spaghetti is done. When you cook them, what you do is you cook them like a couple of minutes less, so they stay nice and firm. This way, when you put them back into the water, it'll be just perfect. You know, the water already has, it's got salt in it already, and this is a real quick dinner. We're almost done. Give it a few more minutes, and I think it's all set up already, right? This plate right here. Nice. You can see the linguini. It's already set. Okay. Turn out the water out. Beautiful, look at that. Put the pasta right inside the linguini, the clams in the middle. Shake there, give it a few more minutes, and that's ready. All the pastas we haven't cooked already. Like big ziti's, we make lasagnas, all the pastas are ready. That gives us like a little bit of head start for the pastas, for the dinners to make. Because it usually takes a little. People when they come here, 10-15 minutes. That's the most they'll wait. And oh, how long is it going to take? They tell them more than 15 minutes. It's alright. Give me a slice of pizza on the lips. So they want to wait about 10 minutes. That's people that come to pizza parlors. So almost that. It's like, oh, where? Okay, hold on. Wait a minute. Ashpan. Let me finish this with the order over here. Okay, so. See that? You usually get about 20 clams, 30 clams. Depends how big they are. These are baby ones, so I put a whole bunch of them for the customer. Put a bit of juice on that. And that's it. That's a clam sauce. That's summer pizza. Thank you for spending a little time with me. This is Pasta Fazool Summer Pizza. And see you next time. Hey, don't forget to subscribe over there. Give me a couple of thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Ciao. Zeli from Summer Pizza. Bye. Hey YouTubers, thanks for watching my video. If you guys enjoyed my video, just say Pasta Fazool! And of course, subscribe. And I'll see you next time on my next video. Ciao.